The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Woods County in northwestern Oklahoma, central Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Orienta, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size